Right guys, right, 2nd December, was in a garden centre a couple of weekends ago. Pink Germidour garlic. I'm going to actually use these for the allotment. They're going to go under the tree, the big cherry tree that needs cutting right down because it's old and it's knackered now. These are only £1, couldn't resist. Maybe a bit late for trying to put them out, but who cares, we'll give it a go. Module tray of 24, I think it is. The reason why I'm putting in module trays, I'm going to try and start them off in the greenhouse first, because the actual soil where we are at the moment is absolutely soaking wet, and it's still not heavy rain, but it's still light drizzle, and they will just rot if I try to put them in there. So what I'm going to do is give this a little bit of a pat down, and literally I'm going to put them into here. I'm going to try and pick the best, obviously. I'll put all these at the back here, out the way for a minute. Now with these, you don't really have to bother about trying to get this off. Some people call this the bum, so what I need to do really is, garlic normally goes in about that deep, so that's your top of your soil, and then it's good down. But because I'm actually growing this in trays, I'm just going to sink it in as far as I can. Now I don't want to put it to the bottom because I need the roots to grow as well. This one here is where it actually grew. Just take it off. Let's open this other one. You can actually see where it gets its name from, the pink on it. For example, that little clove, I won't bother putting that in, it's too small. I want pretty big bulbs off this if I can. So the bigger the clove, the better. That's a nice big one that can go in. This one here now, where I've caught it, is actually removed the actual skin. I'm not going to put that one in because that now has potential of rotting. Now these small ones I'm going to take back into the house, and I'll actually use these for cooking. Not going to bin them. I actually don't even know if I've actually got 24 cloves in here actually. If I haven't, I will just use the small ones as well. Once I've done this, I'll actually put it into the big greenhouse. Well, the bigger greenhouses. I use this one mainly for potting and storing, etc. Well, looks like those two bulbs might just about fill this tray. And some really small, minute ones here. It may be a little bit too late, to be fair, of actually trying to put these in, but at the end of the day, it's just an experiment to see whether they'll grow. And to be honest, it's not actually that cold. It is, but it's not as cold as it normally would be for December in the UK, if that makes sense. Right, I think really that's it. A couple, but apart from that, those two bulbs have given me really 24 actual cloves. I'm not going to water these as of yet because the soil is pretty damp, so I think the dampness in the air will actually keep this going. So just a quick one, that really, guys and girls. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you all again.